Lordship, if this matter can come up after 3 weeks, Lordships.
You're the counsel for the appellant.
Lordships.
Ms. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the appellant, seeks adjournment of the case after 3 weeks, listed accordingly.
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Your
please.
Lordship, I'd like to mention hearing item number 9 to 12. It may be listed on Wednesday, date 22.
You're the counsel for the
Respondent, Your Lordship.
item number 9 to 12.
Yes, Your Lordship.
MS so-and-so, the learned counsel for the respondent, submits that the matter may be listed on 22
February.
to
Yes, sir.
2023, listed accordingly.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordships?
Yes, Mr. Anagami.
Lordships, I beg to mention item number 16 on behalf of V. Shokre, Lordship, Additional AG.
Huh.
If this matter can be listed on 22nd, Your Lordship.
Mr. Anagami?
My lord, let it be in March.
Okay. The learned senior government advocate seeks adjournment of the case, listed on,
First,
is first Wednesday,
Wednesday month.
listed on
3,
1/3/2023. Okay,
March obliged.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
yes.
Your Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 8.
Let it come as per the list.
May I please, my lords?
Yes.
Lordship, item number 13 and 14
30 years.
may be listed next week, Lordship. On 22nd.
Mr. Kiangami, the learned PP, seeks adjournment of the case for a week, listed on
22nd, Lordship.
22 to 2023. Okay.
For motion, item 1, IS Civil 9, 8, 2023.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, I'm led by V. Shokre, Additional AG, Your Lordship. For some matters, Your Lordship, she is appearing in the principal seat
Yes.
and is unable to make it today, Your Lordship.
Yes.
So if this matter can be listed next week, Your Lordship, on 22nd.
As prayed for by the learned senior government advocate, listed on
22nd, Your Lordship.
22 to 2023.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I have instruction to appear for respondent number 1.
Okay, we'll see that next week.
Item 2,
Deeply
IS
obliged, my lord.
11, 2023.
Your Lordship, in this matter,
What is this? What is this, IA?
yes, I actually, Your Lordship, in view of the judgment of this honorable court, the disciplinary proceedings cannot continue beyond 15/9/2022, Your Lordship. But if Your Lordship turn to page 29 of the judgment, because it was the period was extended on the prayer of the learned additional advocate general, Your Lordship. If you may I take Your Lordship to para 13, Your Lordship.
Please wait. You come to your prayers?
Yes.
Your Lordship.
You come to your prayers?
Yes, yes, yes. Prayer is, Your Lordship, if in disciplinary proceeding,
You withdraw the petition and file before the learned single bench with proper petition with advice.
no, it cannot go with learned single judge, Your
If
Lordship.
not, we are dismissing.
No, Your Lordship, it's a DB
If
matter.
not, we are dismissing. If you are agreed by the DB's order, you file contempt.
No, Your Lordship, implementation of DB's order.
Are you withdrawing or not? If not, we are dismissing.
No, let me, Your Lordship, give me a minute, Your Lordship, Your Lordship. Because here
The
I,
application is dismissed.
No, Your Lordship, let me withdraw it, and Your Lordship will give me the liberty, Your Lordship. Remove the single judge, Your Lordship. Your Lordship will give me the liberty.
The
Otherwise,
petition is allowed to be, the application, not petition. Application is allowed to be withdrawn with liberty to file afresh, to file a proper petition before the competent forum, if so advised.
if Your Lordship says learned single judge, Your
Application
Lordship,
disposed.
learned single judge.
Next,
On mission, item 3, read appeal 12, 2018.
Mr. Lordship.
yes, please.
Lordship, here my name has been reflected in the cost list. Actually, it's Mr. Zaran Nguli CCC who is appearing in this case.
Okay.
So he has filed his letter of absence. So I bet this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Zatin Muli is for
For the Union of India, the appellant.
for the appellant.
My name may be deleted and Zaran Nguli's name may be reflected in the cost list.
Your name is reflected,
Yes.
Mr. Yangarwati submits that Mr. Z.N. Muli is appearing on behalf of the Union of India. Who is not present in the court today, and therefore the matter may be listed
After 3 weeks, Lordship.
after 3 weeks.
Lordship, even
Mr.
after,
Yangarwati, the name of Mr. Yangarwati, CGC, shall accordingly be deleted as the counsel representing the Union of India. Okay?
Yes.
Listed accordingly.
Item 4, criminal appeal 3, 2022.
Please, Your Lordships. Lordships, here I'm appearing for the respondents, Lordships. Lordship, here I was informed by the Counsel of the NI, Mr. N.N. Mishra, that he has resigned from his post. And so the NIA...
So let them make a mention, let somebody come on behalf of NIA. Why you are so generous?
Lordships, Lordships, he has, since he could not send anyone, he requested me to mention on his behalf.
And actually,
Sim-
NIA was supposed to file rejoinder
Lordship,
as per the last order.
Lordship. So, Lordship, he has requested me to mention it on his behalf, that the NIA is yet to engage a new counsel. So he has prayed, they have prayed for 4 weeks' time.
Learned counsel for the NIA is yet to file their rejoinder as ordered on 17/12/2022. Listed after 3 weeks. Okay. Yes.
Item 5, criminal appeal 4, 2022.
Same. Ma'am? Same
Same order.
order. Same order.
Item 6, WPC 143, 2022.
May I please, my lords. Lordship,
Yes.
can you grant me 3 more weeks time to file counter, Lord?
Is it a challenge to the rules?
Yes.
Mr. K. Angami, the learned senior government advocate, is granted 3 weeks' time to file the counter on behalf of the state respondents, listed accordingly.
Item 7, RFA 2, 2019.
Yes, Mr. Fuseko.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, as per the order dated 29/10/2022,
29?
10/2022.
Is it not 26?
But
Is it not 26/10/2022?
26/10, Lordship.
Ah.
I was directed to take steps. I've taken steps, but till now I've not received any affidavit
In the meantime,
You are for the,
I'm for appellant, Lordship.
this is
I'm for
item,
appellant. Item 7.
this is item 7. You're for the appellant.
Lordship.
You have
After-
taken steps.
Yes,
for
I've taken
service of notice
steps.
upon respondent 1 and 2.
Yes, but till now I've not received the affidavit. In the meantime,
Affidavit you are supposed to receive from?
from Gauhati, from the appellant, they have to take steps on the respondent 1 and 2.
Steps have been taken.
Yes,
Affidavit yet to be filed.
yes, Lord. But in the meanwhile, I have received a letter from the leading counsel stating that they will not be conducting the case anymore. So I may be allowed to place the letter.
Will you be there? Will you be there or you will also?
No, Your Lordship. I won't be there. I'm assisting Mr. S. Roy. The main counsel is Mr. S. Roy. This is a retirement letter.
But
Retirement
here
notice.
it actually reflects the name of Zasakot of Upro.
Yes, Mr. Zasa, Mr. Avinash, and Mr. S. Roy. Your Lordship, since the names were not in the CIS, their names are not reflected there. That is the issue in the cost list, or else in the Vakalatama. The name of
Who is the
Mr.
main counsel? A.K. Rai.
A.K. Rai, S. Roy,
A.K. Rai and S. Roy.
S. Roy, and K. Agarwal. So,
A.K.
Lordship may,
A.K. Just wait. A.K. Rai, S. Roy,
and
and
K. Agarwal.
K. Agarwal.
Along with them, we will no longer be appearing for the appellant. We have given notice also. Notice was taken on
You have given
9/11/2022
notice to the,
to the appellant. The appellant, yes, the appellant is Chief Narayan Chaudhary. Chief Narayan Chaudhary and another, that is the appellant 1 and number 2 is Vitoni Sumi.
okay.
They are the appellants. We have given notice, retirement notice to them. Notice dated 18/11/2022, and the counter
1811.
and the same counterfoil of the post is dated 9/11/2022.
This S. Roy, K. Agarwal. They
Yes.
have also signed the Vakalatama.
Yes, Lord.
Okay.
Yes.
And along with that, you and
My-
Zasakoto.
yes, Lord.
You have all signed.
Yes.
Mr. Prosecco Ote. The learned counsel for the appeal. Today, when the matter is listed, Mr. Prosecco, the learned counsel has placed a copy of the letter dated 18/11/2022, written by A.K. Rai Advocate and addressed to the
Appellant.
appellant. Who is Vitoni?
She is the wife of the appellant, number 1.
And Vitoni is also a party.
Yes, Lord.
Addressed
They
to
are
the-
1 and 2.
addressed
Appellant
to
1 and 2.
Appellant number 1
1 and 2, Lord.
conveying during that, due to lack of instructions, counsel and his juniors are not in a position to conduct the case, and accordingly, the retirement notice has been served on the appellants to take necessary steps in the case. The letter conveys that Mr. A.K. Rai, advocate, and his associates, namely S. Roy, K. Agarwal, Mr. Sakhoto Vapro, give all Mr. Okay, and Mr. Fuseko Fute will not represent the case, will not represent the appellant in the case any further. Stop. In view of the submissions made by the learned counsel and on perusal of the letter dated 18/11/2022, the registry is directed to take steps for issuing notice on the appellants. The retirement notice in the form of the letter dated 18/11/2022 shall be considered on the next date. At least let's give them a notice.
Lordship.
Okay? The letter dated 18/11/2022 shall form part of the record of the case. Listed on, when do we list it? At least give them some time. Listed after
3 weeks, Lordship.
Listed
Lordship.
after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Okay.
Item
Value Black.
8, read Appeal 34, 2022.
Your Lordships, I pray that this matter be listed for admission hearing after 3 weeks.
You're the counsel for the
Appellant.
appellant. Okay,
Yes, Your Lordship.
okay.
Yes, Your Lordship.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the parties, list the case for admission hearing after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registrar. Okay.